Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be a week in my life prelims edition. So yes, prelim exams. So this one whole week is gonna be a lot. Not just prelim exams, actually I have a lot happening this week. Hopefully I survive the week. Okay, so right now mag-ready tayo kasi yung subjects actually na-move yung mga yung exam namin. Itong mga subjects ko dapat scheduled siya Thursday, tapos they moved it. So okay, so understanding the self, reversive communication, and then readings in Philippine history yung exams ko today. So that's like 2:30 to 7 p.m. Yes. Ay natin yung purposive communication. Review ito ng friend ko, si Chloe. Shout out kay Chloe. So right now, kumakain ako ng oatmeal. Yes, my favorite! Oatmeal. Pero walang saging. Guys, I know, right? Ang weird ko kumain ng oatmeal. I don't know. But I eat my oatmeal like this. Yung buo-buo ba siya. Yung parang kanin. Sayang walang banana. Okay, anyway, mag-review na ako guys. I need to lock in. Because I only have like I have like what, 4 hours to review and 50 subjects, and I plan to every hour, and also mag-prepare pa ako for school. Pero naligo na ako. Aga ko naligo. It's 8:13 a.m. guys. So kaya nga around 11 siguro natapos ko at least. Tapos kakain pa ako and then reviews pa and everything. So yeah, samahan niyo ako sa week na to na mag-suffer for the whole week. Hindi po. Hi guys. So, ang cute ng angle na yan. But, currently on my second subject, I've been reviewing for 2 hours sa isang subject ata kasi sobrang haba niya. I don't know, 1 hour and 30, I don't know. But right now, we're reviewing readings and Philippine history. Let's go. Tapos hanggang 10:30 ako mag-review dito. Or, basta limit ko yung 10:30. Basta pag natapos ko ng maaga, okay lang. Tapos understanding the self, tapos kakain ako, tapos babasahin ko ulit yung purposive communication kasi kasi ang haba niya. So I just need to recall. Hi everyone! So there's a new angle for the vlog. New angle because naka-tripod ako right now. So, dito kayo. Nice, good angle. So, anyway, medyo nagmamadali tayo because we need to leave early because it's raining and magka-commute lang tayo. Alam niyo ba, gusto ko ipakita sana yung commute process and everything, but ang hassle, ang hirap, kahit hindi umulan. Ayun, mag-vlog, kasi like, tas phone ko pa yung gamit ko. Siguro next time, kapag meron ako nung, yun yung camera these days, kasi parang stick na lang sa tawag. Yes, next time, we will see if we will be able to afford one because I've heard they're very expensive and yung mga bagay na ganun kailangan pinag-iipunan, pinag-gagabahutan. Okay, mag-makeup ako. Slight lang because una sa lahat, mainit. I can't afford it. Kasi, super pawisin akong person. So, pag nag-makeup ako, tapos lakad-lakad ako, commute ako, wala na. I don't look fresh, I look the opposite of fresh. So, we do wala ng base, wala. Base. Blush na lang tayo. Blush na agad. And I didn't put sunscreen, guys, because wala namang sunscreen. The only sunscreen I have is yung tinted. I don't like yung tinted kasi medyo makapal. Kapal something. The reality. Naman ako. Ito po deodorant. Guys, konti na lang. Kailangan 1 spray at a time. Deodorant. Kaya hindi ko pa ito yung UTT. Like, sana kunin niyo na akong endorser. My room is not much giving, yung babang space, it's not. Ito lang yung medyo matino. Pero pag tumingin ka sa baba, kung ano nung paper bag yung nakalagay, yung trash can ko puro na. A Day in the Life of a Consolinian Prelims Edition. Woo! Hirap. And we're trying to review. Narito nga pala si Shamira Izon. Ano pong inaaral niyo?
Understanding the self.
Yes, we need to understand ourselves. Because sabi ni...
Kasi nawawala na kami sa sarili. This is us before the examination.
Oh yes, this is us before 3 exams. 3.
Pag-video tayo pagtapos inis.
Go guys, go guys, go guys. Hi guys, we are now going down on my own because I'm gonna go get coffee kasi hindi ko nga like, inaantok talaga ako. Like, kanina nasa bus ako, tapos nakakatulog ako. Scary. Yes, it's cold. Nandala ko pa lang yung jacket kasi malamig sa room. Malamig din sa computer lab kanina. But like, yeah, let's go. We're gonna get coffee. And I only have like 20 minutes, 30 minutes? 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
Guys, score ko sa US. Score natin sa US. Ano? 50 lang. Score ko 40 pounds. 50 lang. Sa ano guys? Sa PC.
Nice 100. Wow, isa ka.
Guys, 78. Assist lang tayo sa...
This is us.
Okay
This is LCUP at night. Pwede na to. Wow! Uy, kumukot.
Yung art nyo. Nandiyan din yung art.
Guys, first step.
First step.
Parang
Hindi, yung first step at tumutubo mo lang gano'n.
lalabas nila pa ang emoji.
Pero may gumagano.
Parang may performance.
Kala mo, ay hindi pala siya kasali.
The nurse blank. The nurse was infected.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ma'am
Parang may palabas.
Daniel Matsunaga.
Donnie pangalawa.
Ang bastos naman. Grabe naman. Respeto sa akin. Hindi kay Donnie.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Magugulat ka, pupuntahan ka namin sa work. Bye!
After magpa-medical.
Guys, ang bahal ng gas.
Tapos na ang medical. Doon kami nagpa-medical. Doon. Over there. Over there.
Dapat diba gawin talaga natin.
Fit check.
Dalawang
Uy, ang ganda naman. The best coffee in LCUP. Kape.
Guys, so far, ang ganda ng bubuk ko. Hindi ko alam. Siyempre. Amen. Organization.
Bawal yung kape. Kape yan. Hands from ate ko.
Sayo ka na.
Bumili kami ng adobo guys.
Lilipad na tayo.
Galing ni ate. Singer siya.
Etok niya guys.
Etok niya guys. Alam mo ba, ever since na Hi everyone! The last clip that you saw is probably yung dance practice namin for PATFIT or for PE. Thursday today, wala kaming class, wala kaming exam or class na face-to-face. So, nasa bahay lang ako the whole day. Dapat may practice kami for PE again, pero hindi na lang. Like, tomorrow na lang ulit yun. Tomorrow morning. So, the reason why this is all here is because my best friend was here a while ago. Like, kagabi lang siya pumunta. And di ko na-vlog yun. Kasi masyado naming chinarge ang mommy kasi we haven't seen each other like for a while. Isa for a while. Magkaiba na kami ng school. Tapos like, ngayon lang kami ulit like hang out. And then everyone's just busy, you know. Like, nag-usap pa rin naman kami. Like, every day. Halos every day. Pero still, like, di kami nagkikita. Yeah, mag-review pa ako and everything. So, yun lang. Bye guys. See you tomorrow or later. Or whenever. Way to school. It's now Thursday. Yeah, dance practice. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Hannah. I just want you to know who I am. Asan?
Pentatouch.
Pentatouch.
Pentatouch. Hindi kita ikaw tinatawag.
Sipag naman.
First 5 books of the
Bye.
Bible. Exodus. Tinandaan niyo ba yun? Genesis. Hindi naman masyado.
This is us before theology.
Genesis, Exodus.
Tayo iniihaw mo.
Bye. Nandito.
Shoutout sa mama ko. Shoutout sa mama ko. Pati sa viewers nila. Yeah.
abangan ang susunod na kwentuhan. Hanggang sa muli, stay creative, stay kind, stay calm. I feel I'm 80 na.
Nagdesisyon na mag-podcast. Ang gulo, diba? May kumakanta doon, may nagpo-podcast dito. Ano ba to? Ano ba to? This is Wish 1075.
Guys, alam niya ba? Kapag tinuro tayo, bubuksan.
3, 2, 1.
Mas dito ka lang, boy.
Babaan mo po.
Nakakapamiyak talaga yan.
Medium shot tawag dyan.
Hindi mo ako hinabol nung sinabi ko sa'yo, pagod na ako.
Hinabol kita. Binuksan ko yung pinto ng sinara mo.
Isang beses na.
Wala namang pera sa bulsa. Kapatid ko yun.
Kapatid, buntis siya.
Siya. Tinampas niya ba?
Parang yung mga sakit. Yes. Nandyan daw, guys. Nandyan daw yung S9. Uy, yes. 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 Yes.
Performative meal.
Yes. Ikaw, performative meal. Pati, pakita mo yung bulaklak mo. Pakita mo. Performative meal.
Lahat kami maasim.
Lahat kami performative. Kasi mag-perform tayo po.
Oo.
So, performative people tayo. Tomorrow is our final performance. What can you say? God bless. God bless.
Good luck sa ABCom 1.
Oh yes, isa pa, ulitin mo.
Good luck sa ABCom 1.
The duo we desperately need. Hi everyone, I am home after a very much tiring day. 7:39, grabe, sobra kasing traffic these days sa city namin, so grabe talaga yung pag-antay ng jeep. Sobra talaga, like, it takes time. Legit, sobrang nakakapagod siya. And today's Friday, marami pa akong kailangan tapusin actually. So, right now, pahinga lang ako 5 minutes. Nag-upo lang ako saglit, drink water, and then maliligo. Tapos, kakain muna ako. Maliligo muna ako. Okay, bye guys!
Grabe guys, kine-question ko yung sagot ko kasi dire-diretso yung letters. Grabe, tama ba ito? nakaramdam ako na bawi ko yun sa third.
Siya si Ten. Wag lang, okay lang ako sa 4 kasi 20. Like, kasi third one na ako.
You want to say hi to Hana? Hana Kim!
Hana Kim!
Hana Kim! Ground 1 na. Guys, iniwan kami ng sumara siya mag-isa. Ano ba yan? Oh, make sure you're so fun. You're so tired. You're not gonna make it. Yeah. And make it. Expected score versus real score. Ano pa expected score? 50.
Wala naman
This is the end of a day in the life of a Consolanian student. A week in the life of a Consolanian student. Real repetition.
Magagawa natin.